Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how did I make this sweater. It's very simple and easy. The pattern is very easy, and in my last video I showed you how did I make the border of this sweater. This video I will show you the whole pattern. You can see it looks like a bit of net pattern, but it's warm as well. So I want to show you how did I make this sweater. So this is a rough diagram of my sweater, how I started. I started this way. So I work from this way and I finished on this side. So first of all you have to measure the length, how long you want your sweater to be. Like if suppose it's 100 chains, so you can take 100 chains from here and start working on this way, and you are going toward this. When you reach a desired length, you can measure it with your shoulders, how much you need for your shoulder, because it will be like this. If you can see, if I can close like this will be the sweater. So you have to measure your shoulder width, how much wide. You can see here, when I reached here, I left this area, I stopped working on this area, and 3 rows I worked from here to here. And then after, again I measure all the stitches from here, how many stitches I have. Suppose if I have 40 stitches here, so I make a 40 chains here and then start working again. And then it's a simple, you can see a rectangle, you can go here and again you do the same thing. You can leave some space for sleeves and finish same. You have to measure your chains from both sides, it should be equal, and always give a little bit gap in here for your neck. Don't join it like this, because it will not going to give you a good finish from your neck. So I made it simple sweater like this, and then when I finished this pattern, what I did, I stitched the shoulders first, and then I had this hole, and I start making my arms or sleeves from here. And then I put the you can measure with the measuring tape, or if you don't want to measure, you can slide in your arm and just measure how long you want your sleeves to be, and then work in the circle, and then you have your arm. So I have in this sweater, what I am showing you, there is no shape. Like I don't make the shape here, I don't make the shape for the arms, for the shoulder. It's a bit straight. That's why you can see the sleeves of my sweater is a bit wider, and it's actually looks nice because it's a big cuff and it looks nice like that. So when you finish all your sweater, what you have to do, you have to start working on the borders now. So I used 3 rows of border from, I started from this side, from bottom of the sweater going up, and then add this back neck and come back here and finish into here in a semicircle. You have to finish the border. First you finish the border from the front, then start making the border here in the bottom of the sweater, and you can keep the length of the border as much as you can. I want a wider border in the bottom of my sweater, so I made I think 15 rows for my border, and I will show you. That's how I made my sweater. It's very simple, and I use the V-stitch, and I will show you how I made that pattern. Now this is the final look of my sweater. You can see the pattern and the borders. I only made the wider border in the bottom of my sweater. The rest of the borders are very simple. It's only 3 rows. Now I will show you how I made the pattern. In my previous video I had shown you how to make this border, but now I'm going to show you how you're going to make the pattern. I take 3 chains and double crochet in the same chain, leave 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the third one make 1 more double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet in same stitch, again leave 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then make double crochet in third one, chain 1, another double crochet in same stitch, again 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, leave 2 chains again, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. It's a simple pattern, it's very quick to make. Again in the last one I'm going to make 1 single double crochet. Now turn your work, first make 2 chains, 3 chains, and turn your work. Now make again 1 double crochet in chain 1 that we made between 2 double crochets. So same pattern I'm going to repeat in the second row. 1 double crochet, chain, 1 double crochet in same stitch, but this time I'm making you can see double crochets in the chain here between 2 double crochet. You can see it's give a V shape pattern. Repeat same what we did in the first row. It's the end of the row. Three chain, again turn your work. You can see now. Look. Now I made few rows to show you, and you can see it's very simple pattern. Now this is, you can see in my sweater, and because it's a simple one, so this sweater didn't take too long to make. Trust me. I hope you like this. You can see the border that I taught you in my last video. I hope you like this video. See you soon. Bye. Allah Hafiz.